time, said Timmy. Well, if you want to go, then let's get on moving. But I think I have a light on for that. I just remember.
Are you recording? Oh, hold on. No, where's the gym at?
You had it in your hand.
I know, I don't have it anymore. Oh, yeah, I do.
Are you close to that cave? Said Predator. I don't think so, said Timmy. But we should be. Now we're halfway in the cave. But you can barely see up ahead, but you can see.
You had the